Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and this week I am doing kite themed nail art, which is somewhat because of our festival Vishwakarma Puja, on which we Bengalis traditionally fly kites. So let's get started. I am using sky blue nail paint as my base color because I want to make the background of a blue sky, and I am taking a earbud on which I am going to put some white nail paint and dab it on the nails to make some fluffy clouds, and that is how my background will be completed, and this is how it is going to look. And now I'm gonna start drawing the kites using black nail paint and a thin nail art brush, and then I'll go over filling it up with different types of bright nail paints. So I'm gonna draw multiple number of kites on each of my nails of different sizes and designs, and that is how I'm gonna fill all of my nails. So while you're watching this, and if you're liking this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Arts and Nails Nailology by Dipannita. Your support is very important for me, as that will encourage me to do better nail art and better videos every time. So please help me increase my YouTube family. And I upload every week, every Friday generally, and sometimes on Saturdays. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel for different types of nail art videos, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for swatch post, review post, and many other types of nail art and collabs and challenges that I take part in. And with that, my bright colorful kites nail art is complete. Leave a comment down below about your kite flying memories, whether you like flying kites or not, and also tell me about your festival when you fly kites. I would love to read that and know about your culture. And give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I would love to see if you will recreate this design. So signing off for today. I will see you next week. Take care, have a great weekend. Bye bye.